Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. And friends, today in this video I will solve your problem. If in your Android mobile phone you are getting unwanted apps installed automatically, you are not installing that apps, but whenever you are scrolling your apps like this and you got that new app on your screen, and which you have not installed, but on your screen you can see that apps. So there is one setting. So I will show you where is that settings. You have to go to the Play Store of your mobile phone. Friends, one more thing important is that if your email ID is running in any another phone of your friend, of your family members, so that is the main reason. If your Gmail ID is running in any one of these mobile phone, that is the main reason that why these apps are installed in your mobile phone. I will show you how these all things happened. Like I'm opening this app. So here you can see one arrow. You can see, just click on this arrow, you can see install on more devices is written here, this device or this Samsung SM. So actually my email ID is running in these two devices. One is this one, this is in my presently in my hand, and the second one is this one, Samsung. So if I click on this, then whenever this Samsung mobile phone having internet on, that time this app will get installed automatically on this Samsung, this mobile phone. So friend, this is the main reason that whenever you are getting some apps installed in your mobile phone and you have not installed that apps, that is the main reason. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.